How to add friends in 8-ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to add friends in 8-ball pool. Adding friends in 8-ball pool is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the 8-ball pool app. Launch the 8-ball pool app on your Android device or iOS device. Go to the friends menu. On the main screen, look for the friends icon usually represented by two people or similar option. You can use the search bar to find them. Type in their username and tap on their profile once it appears in the search result. Send friend request. Once you find your friend, you will see an option to add friend or send request. Tap on it to send request. Connect with Facebook. If your ID is connected with your Facebook ID, then this will automatically add your Facebook friend who plays the game to your friend list. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can add friends in 8-ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.